Assalamu alaikum. This is Nasib Hassan and you are welcome to my channel Nasib IT. Friends, today in this video I will show you how to design this business card easily by using Photoshop. So let's start the video. So friends, first of all we have to set up a page. To do it you have to click on here. Then we have to select instance format. Then we have to click on this box and have to refresh 3.5. Then we have to click on this box and have to refresh 2. Then we have to click on the OK. After set up the page, we have to select the shape tool from here. Then we have to right click on it. Then we have to select the rectangle tool from here. Then we have to draw the shape in here. Then we have to select this shape. Then we have to double click on here. Then we have to select this color. Then select the move tool. Then increase the screen size. Then select this and press and hold Alt key. Then take over from this. Then go to the layer panel. Then double click on here. Then select the red color. Then click on the OK. Then drag this under this layer. Then drag this in here. Then rotate this shape. Then click on the tick mark. Then select the shape again. Then press and hold Alt key. Then take copy again. Then double click on here. Then select the blue color. Then click on the OK. Then drag this under this layer. Then drag this in here. Then rotate the shape again. Then click on the tick mark. Then select the shape again. Then press and hold Alt key. Then take copy from this. Then double click on here. Then select the green color. Then click on the OK. Then drag this under this layer. Then drag this in here. Then rotate this. Then select the shape tool from here. Then right click on this layer. Then select the rounded rectangle tool from here. Then draw this shape in here. Then select this. Then drag this in here. Then rotate this. Then drag this in here. Then go to the layer panel. Then double click on here. Then select the red color. Then click on the OK. Then click on the tick mark. Then select the shape. Then press and hold Alt key. Then take copy from this. Then press and hold Alt key. Then take copy again. Then double click on here. Then select the blue color. Then click on the OK. Now we select the shape tool from here. Then right click on here. Then select the round shape from here. Then draw the shape in here. Then select the shape. Then drag the shape in here. Then click on the anchor point. Then right click on this layer. Then click on the ramp. Then press and hold Alt key. Then take copy from this. Then click on the anchor point. Then right click on this layer. Then click on the flip vertical. Then right click on this. Then click on the flip horizontal. Now we have to select this layer. Then go to the layer panel. Then right click on this layer. Then click on the blending option. Then click on the gradient overlay. Then click on the here. Then select the liner gradient from here. Then click on here. Then click on the orange. Then select this color. Then click on here. Then click on here. Then select this color from here. Then click on the OK. Then drag this in here. Then drag this in here. Then drag this in here. And click on the OK. Then I have to rotate this from here. Then click on the OK. OK. Now I have to select this. Then right click on this layer. Then click on the blending option. Then click on the gradient overlay. Then click on the OK. Then select this. Then right click on this layer. Then click on the blending option. Then click on the gradient overlay. Then click on the OK. Then select this. Then right click on this layer. Then click on the blending option. Then click on the gradient overlay. Then click on the OK again. Then I have to select this layer. Then right click on this layer. Then click on the blending option. Then click on the drop shadow. Then you have to select this layer. Then right click on this layer. Then click on the blending option. Then click on the drop shadow. Then you have to select this layer. Then right click on this layer. Then click on the blending option. Then click on the drop shadow. Then select this layer. Then right click on this layer. Then click on the blending option. Then click on the gradient overlay. Then click on here. Then scroll down from here. Then click on the orange. Then select this color from here. Then select this. Then click on the color. Then select this color. Then click on the OK. Then select this. Then click on the color. Then select this color, then click on the OK, then click on here, then click on the color, then select this color and click on the OK. Then drag this in here, then drag this in here and click on the OK. Then I have to rotate this from here and click on the OK. Then I have to select this, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, then click on the gradient overlay. Then I have to click on the drop shadow. Then select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the copy layer style. Then select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the paste layer style. After that, you have to select these, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, then click on the gradient overlay. Then click on here, then scroll down from here, then click on the orange, then select this color, then select this, then click on the color, then select this color from here, then click on the OK, then select this, then click on here, then select this color, then click on the OK. Then click on here, then click on the color, then select this color from here, then click on the OK. Then click on the color again, then select this color, then click on the OK. OK. Now if you right click on this layer, then click on the copy layer style, then select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the paste layer style. Then select these, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option. Then go to the gradient overlay, then click on the reverse. Then click on here, then drag this in here, then drag this in here. And click on the OK. Then rotate the color from here. And click on the OK again. So now we have to open the icons to set in here. So I am opening the icons from my PC. After open the icons, so we have to set these icons in our business card. Then I have to select these layers, then click on the lock icon. After that, we have to open our logo. So I am opening my logo from my PC. After set the logo, I have to click on the tick mark, then I have to right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, then click on the drop shadow. After that, we have to write some text in here. So I am already written the text, so I am pasting the text in here. After that, we have to select this text and paste and hold alt key, then take a copy from this text. Then double click on here, then write your company name in here. Then click on the tick mark, then double click on here, then write your company category in here. Then click on the tick mark again, then select the shape tool, then click on it, then select the rounded rectangle tool from here. Then draw the shape in here. Then select the shape, then drag the shape in here. Then click on here, then click on the color, then select this color from here, then click on the OK. Then go to the layer pane, then drag this layer under these layers. Then select the company name, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, then click on the stroke. Then click on here, then select color from here, then click on here, then select the white color, then click on the OK. Then decrease the size of the stroke. Click on the OK, then select this, then right click on this layer, then click on the copy layer style, then select this, then right click on this layer, then click on the paste layer style. Then select this, then right click on this layer, then click on the paste layer style. Then select this layer, then double click on here, then select this color, then click on the OK. Now our business card design has been completed. Now we have to set this business card in a mockup. So I am opening a mockup from my PC. After opening the mockup, we have to double click on here. Then we have to back to the project. Then unlock all layers from here. Then we have to select all layers from here. Then drag these layers in here. Then set this business card in here. Then press Ctrl+S button from keyboard. Now, here you can see the final result. Friends, if this video is useful to you, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.